Hey guys, crazy idea, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. I'm confident it will. Problem with winching always is you always have to be dead on with what you're winching, otherwise you can bird cage the spool over here. My solution, just weld it onto one of these. Here it is, it's a little mock-up of this side quest I'm on, so let's get welding. First weld's almost done. I obviously have to clean it up a little bit, but now I think I have the mixing proper, so the rest of it should come along easy. Right, boys, looks like I'm done. I know they're not the most stellar welds, but there's the back and front side. Got a little messy. I can't get the torch in there very well, but the one on the outside I got double. So yeah, let's hope she holds. Alright guys, here's the almost finished product. I threw a fresh coat of black spray paint over some of the welds and the spots I had to sand down. Next comes the Fairlane attachment and some wiring. Let's get to it. Alright guys, it's done. Went ahead and attached a shackle, Fairlane, attached to my own wiring that comes to spade connector so I can connect it at the truck remote control, and then I cut down this lever a touch so it can clear the winch spool. Now just time to go mount it and hook it up. Went ahead and mounted it on the 2-inch receiver, ran the wire to the spade connectors that I did behind the bumper. Can just tuck it away like that. It has full range of motion, and of course there's plenty of slack underneath the bumper too, so, and of course we'll just bear that in mind anytime we use the winch. And look, it can turn it any which way. I'll just go ahead and stretch that out, and then got the remote handy here. Just go ahead and give it a pull and extend, and then retract. There we go.